Here is your question. If you could live 1 year in another woman's shoes, who would you choose and why?
If I could choose to live in any woman's shoes, it would be Apo Wang-od. She's an amazing symbol of cultural preservation. She's an amazing symbol of ageism. She has been defying boundaries, stereotypes, and that is something that I have tried to inspire everybody around me as well, which is to own your unique story, own your traditions, love where you came from, love who you're with, who you're surrounded with, and truly, with that unique story, you can make your country proud. You can show the universe what your country has to offer. In my case, my love for my country can really shake the whole universe as well.
Wow!